appreciate you being here.
For sure.
I told them you wasn't going to come out because I wasn't late enough.
It's all right.
I didn't make you get rid of it. You turn up a little bit?
I think we can turn it up a little bit.
Breezy, what you think? Let's go. Let's go.
Uh-oh.
Let's go. What you got?
I want to know who really know how to. Who see wildin' out of here? Who see wildin' out? I want to know who can play some of the best wildin' out games. What's y'all best wildin' out game? Kick them out of the classroom? What about pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it? Okay. So which one y'all want to play? You want to play?
Who want to play?
Alright. You get a team, I get a team.
Let's go.
Shit, alright.
Who want to be on stage? Who want to be on my team?
Come on, you gonna be on my team. She gonna be on my team.
Come on, you get up here.
I need somebody that gonna go.
Don't be scared. Y'all got a chance to be up here with DC. Don't be scared. Come on.
4 against 4.
Who ain't scared over here? Y'all scared over here? Y'all scared of DC? Y'all scared? Come on, get up here. Y'all scared of DC? Who back there ain't scared to get on stage?
4 against 4. What's up, Shana?
Who ain't scared to get on stage over here? This your chance. Don't be scared now. Y'all watch the shows.
4 against 4.
Come on. Don't be scared. Get up here. I'm gonna get 2 more. I need 2 more over here. You coming up here? Come on. Don't be scared. I need 2 more who ain't scared.
We gonna beat y'all.
Breezy.
We gonna beat y'all. 4 against 4.
I don't know, they looking scared over here. Y'all scared to get on stage? Come on, hey.
We gonna beat y'all.
Y'all too cool. No, y'all too cool. I need 2 of y'all. I need 2 of y'all. Y'all too cool. He said, yeah. He can't get the slipper shoe. He ain't playing. Come on.
I got my phone.
We ready?
I got my phone.
We ready?
I got my phone.
Come on. Yeah, y'all over here. We about to turn.
I ain't even
What's up?
playing kick them out the classroom.
What we doing?
Playing kick them out the classroom.
Y'all know how to play that one?
Yes, sir.
Y'all know how to play that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Y'all know that? All right. What we doing? Oh, hey, mama. Hey, how y'all doing? What's up with you?
Let's go.
Your mama. Who your mama have? Hey. I'm sorry. Okay, we started. Hold up, my team. Y'all ready? Y'all know how to play. All right, y'all ready?
We going back and forth with it? We going back and forth? Let's go. Come on.
Y'all ready? So we gonna go and then y'all gonna go.
Let's go.
All right, come on. In the classroom. In the classroom. In the classroom. Hey, what we doing in the classroom? Look, I'm getting flying in the classroom.
DC, you ain't hiding in the classroom.
I'm in the class getting high.
Hey, hold on. Hold on. Y'all too cool. Hold on. My team too cool here. I don't like it.
We got one loss. It's okay, but we got to She got to pop it out though. She got to pop it out.
Let's go.
Don't be scared. I'm gonna start.
Let's go.
Alright. In the classroom. In the classroom. Hey, what we doing in the classroom? Okay, hold up. We gotta start off. We gotta start off again. You gonna start off. In the classroom. In the classroom. In the classroom. Hey, what we doing in the classroom?
Anybody that can get it in the classroom.
Hey, I smoke them dead in the classroom.
Bald-headed in the classroom.
These kids crazy in the
Oh,
class.
wait, they don't want no smoke in the classroom.
Kick him out. Kick him out the classroom. Kick him out the classroom. Hey, what we doing in the classroom?
I'm gonna be some ass in the classroom.
No! Quit cussing in the classroom! Hey!
Breezy, I need some help up here. You got me? DJ Breezy Bri, come here, girl. I got backup now.
Oh, so that's what she...
I got backup.
Give her the mic then. Give her the mic then. In the classroom. In the classroom. In the classroom. Hey, what we doing in the classroom? Classroom. Girl, why don't you look in the classroom? Classroom. What? Girl, I got you shook in the classroom. I am the king. Thank you. You ain't weak. That was not. No, that was not it. I think we got our point back.
I mean, hey, I thought I had a winner.
Okay, you know what? I think I know what Omaha can really do.
What's up?
Play Let Me Home.
Oh yeah?
Let Me Home.
I think we can do it.
I think we can play
I think we can do it. Hey, hold on.
That kid.
Yeah, they can't get it, bro. Yeah.
They up there cussing.
How about this?
What?
What's your favorite game?
You want to play Pick Up the Kid? Shit, let me play Pick Up the Kid then. You ready?
We gonna pick up and kill it, what's up?
Alright, here we go. We're gonna play Pick Up. My team gonna start off first.
Alright,
Pick up and kill it, and kill it, and kill it. Pick up and kill it, and kill it, and kill it. Pick up and kill it, and kill it, and kill it. Pick up and kill it, and kill it, and kill it.
You cannot talk to my girl. You cannot talk to my girl.
See what I'm saying?
She said, I'm whooping him.
I go against you then. I go against you then. What's up? Oh, you the captain. What's up? I put the girl up against me.
What's up? Let's go.
It's my team against yours. What? Alright, we're gonna pick up and kill it, and kill it, and kill it. Pick up and kill it, and kill it, and kill it. Pick up and
Come on,
kill
y'all,
it,
come
and
on.
kill it.
Y'all supposed to say it too.
My name is Fly. Yeah, room for three. Your team cannot fuck with me. You see this plan?
You need to stop. This Omaha, boy, you will get dropped.
I will get dropped. That ain't no problem. Nigga, my team is a problem solver.
Problem solver, we ain't worried. That's how I'm about to get you and post it on my story. No story, that ain't you, because I got the whole crowd on my side to beat you. That's okay. His legs run raggedy anyway. That's okay. That's okay. Your legs run raggedy anyway. And you know what it did. Yeah, what's up?
You still won.
We won.
All right, y'all go. Next turn. Next. Oh shit.
You calling people out. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you better win. You better win. You get kicked off this team. I'm playing with you right now. We down bad.
Pick up. Pick up
Hey, bro, you better not be scared. You're on the stage, you can't lose. You can't lose, bro. You can't lose. Let's go.
Nah, you ain't gonna put up a girl. I'm talking about me. Artist.
Tell me Larry
You want it.
Come on.
That's old school right there. Good dude though, you know.
What?
It's on me? I start. Pick up and kill it. My team's so raw, my team's so true. And like I said before, man, your team ain't cool.
Cool, your team whack. We gonna see your back home from where you at.
Talking about where I'm at, we ain't stepping in. I'm Nick Cannon and you the fake Eminem. Look, see, like